The health ministry says the number of cases are climbing and the death toll is also increasing.
Alshin Burke has details.
The health ministry says 12 people have died, of which 7 were confirmed as leptospirosis related. In a release today, the ministry says the country has recorded 71 cases, of which 26 are confirmed cases. It says it is continuing its management of the disease across the island and is giving special attention to St. James, St. Anne and St. Elizabeth as they have the highest number of suspected, probable or confirmed cases. St. James has 15 cases, St. Anne has 12, and there have been 8 cases in St. Elizabeth. The health ministry is reminding the public that leptospirosis is preventable, treatable and survivable if detected early and taken seriously. It is advising persons to wear protective gear during cleanup, avoid flood water, secure food and water supplies, and keep their environment clean. Meanwhile, the ministry says there are no other communicable diseases that are of concern currently, with dengue and influenza remaining below the threshold and below the normal numbers for this time of year. Halshane Burke, TVJ News.